The Daily Code Snippet. ARIA landmarks are used to identify major sections and regions of a document, such as letting the user know what is the main content. Screen readers compile these landmarks and allow the user to jump to that region of the web page to help navigation. The ARIA landmark role attribute can be added to perform this function. Here are some commonly used values for the role attribute. Article, to make an individual or separate content within a main section. Banner, to identify a section with branding information, also known as page heading. Complementary, content that is not directly related to the main content, also known as an aside. Footer, a region at the bottom that typically contains copyright, policies, and contact information. Main, denotes the main or primary content. Navigation, regions that include menus or links. Section, groups together related elements, typically one or more headings, and additional related content. When multiple regions of the same type exist, an aria-label attribute is added to further indicate a title for that region. The use of an aria-label with a section element defines it as an aria landmark. With HTML5, elements were added that also define commonly used regions. The preference is always to use HTML5 first and then use ARIA for additional clarification if necessary. Header. Nav. ID, main menu, aria-label, main menu. End nav. Main. Section. ID, section 1, aria-label, first topic. End section. Section ID, section 2, aria-label, second topic, end section. Article ID, article 1, aria-label, first article topic, end article. Article ID, article 2, aria-label, second article topic, end article. Aside, aria-label, key takeaways, end aside. Footer. Nav ID, footer nav, aria-label, footer nav, end nav. Prior to HTML5, one would have to do the following. Div, ID equals header, role equals banner, aria-label equals header. End div. Div, main menu, role navigation, aria-label main menu, end div. Div, ID main, role main, end div. Div, ID aside, role complementary, aria-label, key takeaways, end div. Div, ID footer, role banner, aria-label footer, end div. Div, ID footer nav, role navigation, aria-label footer, end div. If you are viewing an older site that has not been updated to modern standards, you may see legacy code like this. Presented by Designers Learn Code.